Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coinbase app and verify identity, full guide step by step clear. Begin by unlocking your smartphone and locating the App Store. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you are on an iOS device, launch the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Coinbase and press the search button. Look for the official Coinbase app in the search results. Make sure it's the app developed by Coinbase Incorporated. Tap on the app name to open its details page. Then, tap the Install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, locate the Coinbase app on your home screen. Tap to open the application. When the app launches, you will see the welcome screen. Select the option to create a new account. You will need to input your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure the password meets all security requirements. Tap Create Account to proceed. Next, check your email for a verification message from Coinbase. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the app. The app will now prompt you to enter your phone number. Choose your country code and input your phone number. Tap Send SMS to receive a verification code via text. Enter the verification code in the app. Now, you will need to verify your identity. Prepare to provide necessary personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for identity verification. You may also be asked to upload a photo of a government-issued ID. Select the type of ID you will upload, such as a driver's license or passport. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.